Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Kashmir. In continuation of stereochemistry, lecture 9, we will learn today conformational isomers. Conformational isomers are different shapes of the same molecule resulting from rotation around carbon-carbon single bond. These different shapes are known as conformers. See here, this carbon-carbon single bond rotation occurs and the position of this is changed to each other. The rotation around carbon-carbon single bond occurs easily at room temperature. Hence, conformers are easily interconvertible and cannot be separated. It means this conformer, this is slight staggered to eclipsed or eclipsed to staggered or skew form, they are not be separated. The different conformers of the compound may differ in their potential energy, and the lowest energy conformer is most stable one. Conformation of ethane. It is 3D structures and can be represented in 2D with the help of Newman projection and Sohart projection structures. See here, this is a Newman projection of ethane. This is staggered form where we can visualize back carbon proton also. In eclipsed Newman projection, this back carbon proton are hidden by front carbon proton. Sohart projection of ethane staggered form, all 6 protons we can visualize, whereas in eclipsed we cannot be seen back proton when we will see from the front. This type of representation makes it easy to visualize the molecule as a whole in 3D. Ethane may adopt many different shapes by rotation around carbon-carbon single bond. See here, conformations of ethane: eclipsed, staggered, skew. Skew is in between the form of eclipsed to staggered. Means here dihedral angle rotation, so it may be angle 10, 20, 30 like that. So it is a skew, various skew forms are conformations are formed in ethane. Newman projection separates each other by the angle between a bond, one atom and a bond on adjacent atoms is known as dihedral angle. So this is known as dihedral angle. In eclipsed form, it is 0 degree, whereas in staggered form it is 60 degree. In skew, various form, it may be 10, 20, 30 like that. Potential energy. Potential energy is about 3 kilocalorie per mole or 12.6 kilojoule per mole. So potential energy for conversion from one form to another, see here, it is about 3 in eclipsed, staggered having almost 0. This is the again eclipsed, staggered like that. So this is the dihedral. Staggered conformation of ethane is more stable compared to eclipsed conformation of ethane, because in eclipsed conformation both the bonds and the atoms are closer together, and this can cause torsional strain. Due to repulsion of electron in eclipsed conformation are less stable compared to staggered conformation. Conformation of propane, see here, in propane, potential energy curve for here in eclipse it is high, and in staggered form it is low, almost zero, eclipse again high, like that. Potential energy of propane staggered conformers is slightly higher than potential energy of ethane. Propane staggered conformers having 3.3, whereas ethane having 3 kilocalorie per mole because of the methyl group. Conformation of butane. This is the anti-form of butane, where two methyl groups are having 180-degree angle, dihedral angle, whereas in Gauss form it is 60 degree, both bulky groups having 60 degree. Eclipse conformers of butane, here dihedral angle, this eclipse form 120 degree, both means front carbon methyl group and back carbon methyl group, it is eclipsed. And here in eclipsed front carbon methyl and back carbon methyl group having 0 degree. So this is the graph in between the potential energy and dihedral angle or various form of conformation. See here, this is totally eclipsed having high potential energy. Gauss form, this is the again eclipsed. This is the stagger anti-form. This is the eclipse form. This is the Gauss form. This is the totally eclipse form. So this is the total graph of various conformations of butane. Differences between configurations and conformational isomers. Configurational isomers, due to presence of one or more chiral carbon atoms or dissymmetry of molecules, giving rise optical isomers, or due to restricted rotation about carbon-carbon double bond, choose geometrical isomers, or due to absence of mirror image, choose diester isomers. Whereas conformation isomers observed in molecules because of free rotation about carbon-carbon single bond. Spatial position of atoms or groups in a molecule remains fixed. Spatial position of atoms or groups in a molecule keeps changing. Configuration. Conversion of one configuration to another is only possible when bond dissociation or breaking of bonds and formation of bonds occur. Conversion of one form into another is easily possible at room temperature. For example, eclipse, staggered, anti, Gauss, Q, etc. Configurational isomers can be separated by various techniques because of relative energy difference, about 30 kilocalorie per mole. Conformational isomers cannot be separated or isolated by any technique because energy difference is very low. It is below 15 kilocalorie per mole. So this is all about stereochemistry.